Alright, so we've reset here to our main waste vent here on the roof of the main house. This is a 4-inch vent pipe that comes up through the roof from the horizontal pipes under the structure, and it's just here right behind our HVAC unit, our furnace. It drops down into the main building drain pipe here, and then we'll follow that out to the main sewer pipe. Same thing for this structure. We'll track and locate and mark out the location for the main sewer line cleanup. Pretty heavily deteriorated cast iron piping under the structure, and here we are coming out of the building, and you can see this first section of clay has a crack in it along the bottom of the pipe. So this is where we put our main cleanout, so that can be fixed at the same time. And this is right around the area that our other pipe intersects into this line. We're seeing some similar conditions here. Slow drainage, we may have some blockages. Looks like we're actually running uphill a little here, which is not ideal. The pipe should have a 1/4 inch of fall per linear foot of pipe run. Now we're dropping down fairly steeply here. A little hard to see what we're doing. Underwater due to really poor drainage here. So this line is very evidently not been being cleaned. A lot of debris in the line. Also very possible we've got a line that's not sloped very well. I don't believe we've made it to our public sewer yet, but it's possible. Pretty much all we're going to be able to see today here. Not really moving any better. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and wrap up the video portion of the examination. I'm going to track and locate a few things here, see where we're at exactly, and then I'll put my conclusive findings in our written report. This is Mark Harrison with Sewer Line Check Professionals. Thank you very much and have a pleasant day.